less than an hour, aircraft from here will be joining others from around the world.
Yeah, go right there in the middle.
We'll be launching the largest aerial battle in the history of mankind.
What?
Mankind, that word should have new meaning
Hello?
for all of us today.
Hello?
What the hell is he talking about?
He does this every year.
Hello?
We're fighting for a right to live.
Is this?
Yeah, it's a speech from Independence Day.
But as the day the world declared in one voice,
What's your favorite movie?
we will not go quietly into the night.
He doesn't know any sports speeches?
I don't think he cares.
Today we celebrate our Independence Day.
Well spoken, Coach. I might have chosen something with a little more historical value, but there's no denying your passion. And while I haven't been here long, there's no denying my pride in having a winning team for this school. I know you'll all be brilliant tonight, even with only one co-captain leading you.
Co-captain leading you.
But I'm also a fan, so don't think I'll be content to watch you merely beat this team. Get out there and murder them.
You heard the man. Asses on the beat.
Oh, get live, see? Yeah, there you go.
It's not my decision, but I have to play. McCall, you're failing 3 classes. Let's go first.
I'm moving my head like I'm listening to music or something. Put that jersey on. Put that jersey on. Let's get hype, boys. About to go hit somebody out there.